Okay, so the next thing I'm going to talk to you about is adding documents and adding pictures and some different things like that. Um, so this is the part where Google Docs really shines, is when you are going to add things to it, especially pictures and things like that, where you used to have to add things one at a time. You can now add things quickly and easily out of your Google Docs or your Google Drive. So if I wanted to, let's say, add a calendar, here's how I do it. I make a new page. Maybe I titled it Class Calendar. Okay, I want it to be a web page. Hit Create. Okay. Now, like we did before, we're going to save it and then go to More, Page Settings. We're going to get rid of comments and all these other kind of things. I'll leave the page title though. Hit Save. Now, if you want to add a calendar, it's really easy. You basically hit Edit Page, go to Insert. Now, inserting images, calendars, all those kind of things are fairly easy from the Insert choice up there. So for calendars, I go on over to where it says Calendar, click it. Now, it automatically will find the calendars that have been shared with you or calendars you've created. So here's my personal calendar. I don't want to put that one on here because that's my personal calendar. I do have a special classroom calendar that I've made, and I'll do a different tutorial about doing that. But for right now, maybe all you need to do is you just need to put the North Creek calendar on there. Okay. Maybe you wanted to put the U.S. holidays on there as well. Okay. So you can only do one at a time, but you click on the one you want to add. Okay. And then you scroll down, hit select, and you can see it's saying it's going to display the North Creek calendar. Now, if you want to put a different calendar on with it, you hit display another calendar. I think I want to do U.S. holidays. Select. Now, that's the colors it's going to display them, and it'll display them together on the same calendar. Now, the default is about 600 pixels, which is a decent sized calendar, but you could make it a little bigger if you wanted to. You can tool around with that and see how you want to do it. You can also do a weekly calendar or a monthly calendar. Now, it'll do it automatically for you. So I'm going to leave mine in a month. But once you hit save, what you'll see is the calendar is already made for you. You actually don't have to do anything more. Now, whenever you insert something, it's just going to show it as a gray box until you hit save. When you hit save, then it'll show up. So here's the North Creek calendar, and you can see right on here, it has things from the North Creek calendar that I have not done anything to add. These are things that are automatically added for you because the office is updating our calendars. So like the book fair, conferences, all those things are on there automatically. I really like this class calendar to be right on my homepage, but you can do it wherever you'd like. So there we go. There's our classroom calendar navigation, and we were able to put it in there. I can go back home, and here's our homepage again. So I'm going to try that one more time, and we're going to add another page. And for this one, I'm going to do some class photos. This is another way that I really like Google Sites over other web pages. So I'm going to hit save. Go to more, hit page settings, get rid of all these things here, save, and there it is. Go to edit and then insert. Now you can insert a photo, like one image, and you can do this. It just takes a long time. You have to, every time you want to put images from like a Halloween party or something like that or a birthday, it takes you all the time to upload each picture separately. Now I use a program called Picasa. It's a free download, and I'm going to go down here to show it to you really quick. This is what it looks like. And when you open it, it has all of your folders. It automatically just organizes them. So when you took your Halloween pictures this year and you made a little folder called Halloween pictures, it automatically finds those and just shows them to you. Okay, so there's all my Halloween pictures. Okay. And this program allows you to share them using your Google account, which is your username at Chelsea. Okay, so you already have an account that's enabled for this. You just might not have used it. So you can share a whole web album. So if I want to, I've already shared Halloween pictures with my Google account. So here's where this is really great. Once I click on Picasa Web Slideshow, it automatically finds my Picasa online account, and it has all my pictures right there. So if this is the one I want to use, I click it and hit select. Okay, and then it asks you how big do you want your slideshow. I think I would like this one extra large. And then you want it to autoplay. In this captions part, inside of Picasa, you can put little captions under each picture. And then you can name it. You can name it whatever you want. Okay, and hit save. And I can center it here by clicking this little part here. Whenever you are in the edit mode and you click on the picture, it's going to give you choices. Like, do you want it aligned right, left? How big do you want it? Do you want to delete it? Those things are all right here. I'm going to save it. Okay, and there it is. Now, since I said put autoplay, it'll automatically, when somebody goes to the website, play right through these as a slideshow. So I actually don't have to do anything besides just putting these pictures onto the web and sharing them. Now, I'll do a separate tutorial about Picasa and how to do that, but it's really easy. And once you have it set up, all you have to do is hit that share button, and then Google Sites will automatically find it and make this slideshow for you.